Hi everyone, good morning. Today is Friday and we are going to our Deutschkurs and later we will go to the gym and ang daming ganap today, so might as well I will vlog this day, okay? So in today's video, just a normal day with me. Ayan, so let's go guys. Ito yung dadalhin ko sa gym and the swab test. So we're not allowed to go to the gym unless you have your test with you. So let's go guys. Just change my towel. Ayan. So everything is ready. Here's my outfit for today. Jogger pants and crop top. But I will just wear a denim jacket para di masyadong sexy kasi punta tayo ng school. We just arrived here in FAQs Dilingin. Pasok muna tayo sa class, guys. Let's learn together. We are going to Aldi and I'm with my classmate Norma and we are having our break now. Die Dusche und das Regal?
Ja.
Das Regal?
Ja. Und da unten für Mikrowelle. Mit N. Genau, die Mikrowellen. Ja? Genau. Herr Altkassier. Okay.
Aber zwei Küche.
Essküche, ja. Wie Essen? Also,
So I'm done with my Deutsch course and now we are going to the gym. are done with our 1-hour exercise and I am back at home. And I have my class this afternoon, but we canceled it because my student is still working. And later, we have an appointment around 6 p.m. for first vaccine. So, yung nakuha namin na vaccine is the BioNTech. I need to clean first the house because grabe ang kalat. Because earlier, I don't have time to clean the house kasi I'm really in a hurry. And after nyan, I have a class and then went directly to the gym. So, ngayon, maglilinis ako ng bahay. After maghugas ng pinggan is I need to shower. So, ayan, dito tayo. Ito ka kayo ilalagay. Wala kaming dishwasher, kaya ayan, mano-mano ang paghugas ko dito, guys. So, plano namin ni Mark is pag bumili kami ng dishwasher, idiretso namin lahat na bago yung kusina. Ito yung reality dito sa Germany. Wala kang katulong, tapos ang bilis talaga ng oras. And yeah, ikaw lahat dapat gagawa. Kain muna ako saglit kasi nagugutom ako. Bilisan natin, guys, kasi hindi pa tayo tapos maglinis. Pero usually, ito yung katapat niyan. Itlog, tapos Wurzel o Maggi. Para siyang toyo. Ito yung dala ni Mama from Globus. Always yung nagdadala ng tuta sa bahay. And, yan. Kain tayo, guys. I'm on a diet and, ayan. Diet pero hindi masyado. Hindi strict diet. Malapit na ako matapos kumain. Alexa, kannst du bitte eine Musik spielen?
Hier ist ein Radiosender, den Sie vielleicht finden. Ja, auf Amazon Music.
Done cleaning and now I will take a bath kasi grabe na yung pawis ko. And again, this is indeed a productive day. Hi!
Hallo, bist du ready?
Ja, ich bin bereit.
Gut, ich bin gleich da.
Wo bist du schon?
Ich bin gerade von der Autobahn runter.
Mark just called me and yeah, naka-ready na po ako for my nails. Pero he is on the way, so I don't have enough time to do it today, maybe tomorrow. Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko, guys. And on. Ich gehe kurz in die Tür. Passt du da? ga. Sorry. Sawadika. Guten Appetit.
Tonight, we'll be trying some Thailand food. Local restaurants. Sawadika!
If I could take you up in boom boom boom, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.